So today I'm gonna be repotting this Aglaonema Red Siam, I believe, and it is disgusting. Like, there's some creepy crawly in there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god, I'm disgusted by it. Like, you can see those little worms. Yeah. It's creeping me out. I don't even want to touch it because I feel like I'm gonna see a ton of them inside, and I think that it could be why it's like it's just dropping a lot of leaf. It's probably very root bound as well. Like, oh, ew. Come along with me to see what I discover in there. See, I have my gloves because it is so disgusting. Like, oh god, I'm very disgusted by it. I'm afraid to touch it. Oh my gosh. I should probably let my husband do it. He's gonna cuss. What if I lift this out of the thing that is in? Oh gosh, I can't. Oh my god, I'm so scared. It's so disgusting. Like, I don't know what caused it. Like, I know that it's okay to have creepy crawlies in your soil because they help, but this is way too much. Ew. Look at that one right there. Look at him. He's moving. And I'm afraid I'm gonna see a ton of them. I am so disgusted right now. Blah, I feel like I went through. What I need to rectify this plant, I need to repot it. Look at this. I don't want. Alright, so he took it out for me. I guess it wasn't as disgusting as I thought it would be, but for him it was like nothing. He just used his hands and he didn't even use gloves. He was like, oh, that's nothing. Like, he sees it all the time, and why am I in gardening if I don't want to deal with those things? I knew that. That's what he would say. Alright, I'm gonna put on my gloves. Alright, so let's look at this root. Look at that. See, like, even at the base it looks like it's like rotted right there. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna see if I could break it apart with the bag because I'm not touching that. Ew. Even with gloves, it's just, yeah. And it's best if I don't see what I'm touching, even though I'm not touching it with my bare hands. Okay, not bad. Okay. Yeah, it was severely root bound, and I think I want to separate it into two. I want one for inside and one for outside. And I probably need to spray down the roots. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's like disgusting. I think the soil was too moist. This is supposedly a self-watering pot, so I think the soil was just too moist. So all right. There we have it. And now I'm gonna have to separate all of them because they look like they're in those dead trap baskets. Yeah, they're like in those baskets. There it is. Why do they do that? Like, I'm gonna have to cut off the baskets. All right, so it is not easy doing this. I should probably put it on my other hand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out of these things and then go from there. All right, so they're separated and I have 3 sections. See, these dead trap of a basket. So look at this one, poor thing. I'm gonna have to cut it out, and then this just looks like it grew like a offshoot. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it out and then finish cleaning it up. All right, so this is the basket. There's so much roots got damaged in the process, so it was definitely hindering the plant's growth. I was wondering like why the leaves were just dying off. There you have it. And look at this one. This one had two. This one had two in it. Like, that don't make no sense. So here we have them. Still has a healthy root system, and Aglaonemas, they bounce back really well. Look at this one. Chop off all the heads and it's just growing back now, so it'll be fine. All right, so guys, I'm not ashamed, but I did a thing. So I left this for a couple of days. The day that I was repotting it, I took it out of the soil and you saw everything. And it's like 2 days later, because I had to go and pick up my kids right away. And then the following day I had to prepare for my daughter's birthday. Then the following day was my daughter's birthday. So now I'm finally getting to it, and the roots are kind of dry. The plant is thirsty, but I do think it will bounce back from yeah, I think it will bounce back. So I'm gonna go ahead and pot it up now and give it a good drink of water, and hopefully it will bounce back from this minor neglect. You see how it's like drooping? It happens sometimes, you know, when you cannot get to a plant right away. Yeah, I guess my advice would be, if you can't get to it right away, do not take it out of the pot. Yeah, but I did not anticipate taking so much time to just get it out of the pot. I thought it would just be a quick repot, and yeah, but time caught up on me and I had to go and pick up my kids. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and repot it. I'm gonna split it in two. I'm gonna put this in this one. I know it's a little big, but it will grow in. This is gonna be outside, and then I'm gonna put this one in this smaller pot for inside. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Here I have my soil. Oops. I'm just gonna fill it up. Yeah, throw some soil in.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be.
Poor sad looking plant, look at it.
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Poor thing is not even standing up. Hopefully the roots can bounce back, the plant can bounce back. So I really love this plant. It's very pretty in my opinion. Stay on that one. Alright, so now I'm gonna give it a good drink of water. Look how sad they are looking, like wah, wah, wah. So I'm gonna give it a good drink of water, and then if it perks back up or whatever happens, I'll let you guys know. But hopefully it perks back up, and I'll let you know how long it takes to perk back up, if it does perk back up. All right, so stay tuned for that. So this is what they're looking like. As you can see, I did water them, and I spritz them, give them some added humidity, and now this is what they are looking like. So I'm just gonna leave them right there for now. Thank God the sun is not, it's overcast, so we don't have any sun to stress them out any further. So let's see how they will do, and yeah, let's see how they perk up, if they perk up. So this is the next day afterwards. As you can see, they're still looking droopy, but they feel better. Like I can tell the way the leaves feel, it's probably gonna perk up soon. This one definitely feels better, and you could see it looks a little bit better. Oh, look at this leaf right here. This leaf looks damaged. Let's see if it's pest. Okay. Poor thing. I think I know. It's sun damage. I think it's sun damage. Yeah. These were, I'm gonna have to move them from here because the sun hits here in the afternoon. Yeah, that's what it is. And it's not strong enough to take the sun. Like normally this can, I know for a fact that this plant was in the sun before and it was fine, but yeah, I'm gonna move them from there, but I'll keep you guys updated to see if they bounce back. This is where I ended up putting them, and this is day 2. So as you can see, this one starting to perk up. You can see that it's trying to lift up. This one is still limp. Some of the leaves feels a little bit firmer, but some of them feels stiff. No, some of them feel soft.